as well as in magazines that include Smithsonian Air and Space, AOPA, Sports Illustrated, Plane and Pilot, World Air Show News, and many other international networks and publications. He's also the first pilot to fly an airplane under a jumping motorcycle. He also flies in multiple acts such as Chin Sticks, The Immortals, and Mono Skyfly. Skip custom built this aircraft itself. It's named Prometheus, which means forethought. Prometheus was a real titan who displeased Zeus by taking from him and gave to the people of Earth. The name matches the paint design with his hot rod, snarling, flashy maneuvers, and Skip's forethought in his crowd-pleasing routine. Prometheus is partly Pitts and partly Skip, with Christina Stewart starting life as a Pitts S2S. Skip modified the Prometheus to become the air show machine he envisioned. This flying machine looks like a good old American hot rod. The horsepower was increased to 400. The big three-bladed prop reminds you of an oversized racing slick. The landing gear makes it look fast sitting on the ground. And the paint job yells street rod. With a climb rate of 4,000 feet per minute, max level speed of 200 miles an hour, stall speed of 58, empty weight of 1,146 pounds, a range of 405 miles. This is an all-muscle biplane. I think you'll agree. Look out.